I say you dey craze. Make I suffer, work hard, finish carry money give you. You get jazz for mouth.
Shut up, one more day, yo. Go see a beginner. Shut up, take your time. I will tell you that I am from Ijebu-Ode. Emi Otumba. Don't know what's it. Shut up.
Oga, if you be from Ijebu-Ode, I go tell you I be pure Igbo girl. If you do any, you collect woto. I go beat you. Yes. You mad.
Hey,
wine.
Hey, you. Then where?
Oga shift. We go beat for you now.
Ọmọdé omogun pẹ̀lẹ́ fọ. Ọmọdé omogun pẹ̀lẹ́ fọ. Go see. Na me dey talk.
Na you.
I go give you. No. I go give you. No. I go give.
You go collect.
Me I go collect.
Fuck up, oh. You dey fuck up for the mechanic. I go do you something. I go wound you.
You go wound me.
Yes.
My funny up.
Baba. We not do.
Gossip, this is not be for you.
Do you see?
Not be for you, I beg. I beg you.
I beg.
Gossip, I beg you. Not be for you, and I will do this thing. I beg you in the name of God. I apologize on her behalf.
You say waiting. I send you message. Apologize waiting.
Will you shut up? Who be Oga? Please, I beg. That lady only brought the car for we to fix.
Yes.
That's all. She not tell us that you're a customer now. She not come here and tell us that you're a customer.
Yes.
She not tell us say she even look for you. You know what? For peace to reign, just go. I will carry your money come.
Oh, you can do that thing. Carry on, Ako. You go do waiting. Oga, if you carry money, give this man. Is that you buy me or I buy you? Yes.
Yes, now. Go see. You go buy you.
Yes.
Go see.
Yes.
Let me tell you. It's a person wey go follow me fight you. Don't come. Go see. Finish it. This time we dey fear you. Thank God, sir. If you boy you well, cross this line.
What is there for the line?
No cross.
Go see.
Anything happen to me? You whine.
Òun tàbí fún àgbàlagbà ń gbà. Agbọ́ ti kúyọ̀. What do you?
What do you want to?
I told you that. Leave him. Leave him. I told you.
If I stay, man, wound them. They mad. Hey, if I big for you now.
Hey, bad man. Go yourself. Let's go.
Go see Sochuku.
Asam Potompo. Asam Potompo.
I go lie for you.
Asande mechanic.
I go lie for you.
Asande mechanic.
Are we there yet?
Yo.
Anybody that's when I go collect water.
You cross that line.
Then wine.
That's the Roman line. Okay, two.
Mike. Oga Mike. This guy go put you for trouble. Okay, Tikwe na trouble. You are the only son of Maginwell. Yeah, Kainawa, Omega Aluna, this place. Onyangu, Otumba, Yanano, Kainaba. This guy is seeking a trouble. I tell you before.
Will you come back? Will you get up for this place?
You cross line, Roman line.
Mike, Oginekwa.
Okay, she never come back. Where she come out?
You never come back.
I found her.
Uh-huh.
What did you just call me now? Wait. Did you just call me by my full name?
Michael Uchenna.
You know they fear.
Wait, now our Oga you dey call by him full name. You know they fear. Hold out the quagga this boy.
Yeah? What about? Now me they call this boy. Michael. You dey mad? You dey crazy? Now me they talk to like that? You know say na my cousin brother? You know say Michael here? Now my cousin brother and now my age mate. Eh? And I yalla. If not be what's happen for me for Thailand? A bill more drug. I have to run because I know if you chest out. But here night bus, call night flight. But inside ocean, safe from sky, land for before your mama come to say make I come dey manage for you. You know what I say? If this guy see me now as a man, he gonna call me.
Make it go as a man go by idiot. My see, Ofo.
Michael. If them come for village, now me the first you collect share. For age grade, you know that one. When I got blood, you send this thing. In fact, now because of me, I beg when they put you for our age mate. I beg. What is your problem? What Michael? You trying to call him this small boy?
Ofona, who are you? Ofona, who are you? All these things you've been talking about Thailand, you went to Thailand, they said they asked you to come and do drug. You enter night bus, you do this one, you do that one. Me and you know very well that it is a big lie. Let me tell you, any day you call me by my full name again, in this shop, in this garage, I swear you will get that from this shop. In fact, you will get that from this gate entirely. Mike, this is my territory. If you try this thing again, whatever you're doing in the village, go and do it in the village. Oh. If you come to my shop, I am the seniority in this shop. Any day you try this nonsense again, you will leave this garage entirely. Don't say I don't want you. Bia Moaba.
Hello.
Go see so.
Hello.
Since that time.
Hey, Chalugodio, because of this Michael, why I call you now, make your belly don't turn you like this.
Edragi Asia, be Thailand. Get Gadia Ketuku man Asia. Now, Ketuku, happy Tor. Ganam Tana 14.
Ganam 14 spanner. The age grade got no quite far. I got one village. Yeah, them 14 spanner. I go match if you tell me. I go boss Oga, Makagawa. You get this one now. First time before I carry this thing and see.
Maggie, life no pass like this. Make I play better music to enjoy myself. Hey, scholar, hey. Safa no good oh. I give him belly. I saving this motor die. The owner go enjoy them. The wine.
Please, don't forget my junction.
I no go forget your junction, fine girl. Make I carry you drop.
No, don't worry.
Bishop, don't worry. I know say your baba go don't give you money for drop, but you want enter pick and drop. All those Gen Z girls, bad girl.
Boboke. Me na stone, please. I don't have and I don't even want to have. Don't just forget my junction, please.
Hey, wait. People say this one just nearly collect breakfast too. Make I shut up my mouth. Make I on AC for you now. Take cool your heart now.
I'm fine. Imagine my kid. My kid left my sister. My kid has to go to have sex with my sister. My kid, you will die. My kid, you will never see beauty in your life. My kid, you will have accident. My kid, you will die. Please don't drive me to my junction. Let me go and die.
Sorry. But you no go kill yourself now. Eh? Now you go love who no value you. You no go kill yourself. You go just use your life, do better thing, forget all these men. Why your sister go do this kind thing? Now wow. Sorry oh. You know what now? Go drop you for your gate. No pay me. Yeah? No pay me. Hi. Sorry.
Hello. You're fired, bro. You're fired. Yes. Just to find a lady. All I ask you is to find a lady's whereabouts. And you cannot even do that. Don't do that again. I'll do that myself. Yes. You are so incompetent. Bro, what are you talking about? The GPS what? What are you saying? Bro, get the fuck out of my phone. And don't do that again. Don't look for her, I will look for her myself. Fuck it.
This girl is not picking my call. What's the such? She's not taking my calls. She's not taking my calls. Go see son. Go see son.
That's why I say make I go test run by myself. You don't agree. See I'm now, she don't carry the car come out. Okay now, we go to wait for her now.
Oh, if say na this man now carry this chair that found now carry this motor go test run. Now police go come here come arrest us. We go chill for station like 2 days. But they last for station 2 days because of this chair that found.
Thank God you know this idiot very well. Thank God you know him very well.
This is an Thailand. This light go spend you one. That motor self, you come first.
Una carry car go give person like those Kosi. No be first time, no be second time. You go carry go see man now.
But wait, Nwaba. It is over an hour now because he went to test run that car. What thing they happen? Why she never come back?
If it be hold up or go slow.
Hold up or go slow.
Two of them feel the whole at once.
Go slow, hold up. Now I go hold am for a very long time now, for over an hour.
She go see
For
man.
over an hour now. Make she go finish, come back. Make she go finish, come back. I dey for here, they wait am. I dey for this shop, they wait am. Make she go finish, come back. She go see wetin I go do am. Make she go come back.
No be you again. You dey why yourself. Normally you no go do am anything. No let talk, you go talk. She go drive that car come here now, you go use talk full your head. You don't forget, you go come dey smile. Never face the That is the only thing that you be doing. I'm again. No be you I know again. Oga format.
Ofo, are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not ashamed of yourself? I believe this should be our working hour. See Mwaba, who dey work. Wetin dey dey do? You dey chop. You should be ashamed of yourself. Ofo, you first Mwaba here, come this shop. You first Mwaba here, come this shop. But today, you dey learn from Mwaba. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Your brain no suppose dey sharp pass your belle. Your belle don dey sharp pass your brain. You suppose dey pity yourself, Ofo. Pity yourself. But I no get anything to tell you. Continue. When I go get your time, I will get your time.
Check that phone. Now where did you see your belle?
Mwaba, keep this thing first. Make I wish you say I get close.
Come make you carry that battery go charge.
If you try that nonsense, if you try that nonsense, if you try that nonsense, shame for yourself.
You dey call am one. Wetin you don do? Wait. If cause you no spoil that motor, call me bastard.
Rafi,
Mother.
is that your elder sister on the phone?
Oh, no.
Kamsi, what is the matter with you? What are you doing? Are you not supposed to be tracking her on the phone to know her whereabouts?
Mother, I am trying. I'm trying, but she doesn't seem to be stable. It keeps going off and on.
Listen, young woman. I don't know why your father gave you such assignment, but you have to carry it on. I don't want him to start yelling at me again.
Mother, Olivia dropped a letter saying that she is fine. Why can't we just accept that?
Will you shut up? Shut your mouth. It's my daughter we're talking about here. Your elder sister. Swing into action. Track her. Trace her. Search for her. We need to know her whereabouts. They left this palace without trace. Nobody knows where she is. Kamsi, are you okay?
The money na 5K. Oh yeah, I don't reach in a junction. Money. I dey hurry up, you get where I won't go.
How much be your money again?
Ah, Chairman, you don't forget, nah. 5,000 now.
5K.
Yes.
You know what? 5K now. Hey! Oh yeah, your phone, your bag. Fast!
Guy, calm down now. Eh? Snake no dey swallow snake now we will.
You mad? Who they follow you place in that game for year?
Answer us! Wait, I no kill me. I go. I get money for
Madam!
you.
Your phone! Then why? Fast! Confirm. If you move, issue. Go. Issue!
Hey, man. You want to run me streets? Straight around streets? Get up. Get up! Go follow me. Eh? Whether my boots. Don't tell me that you're poor and collect my money and my phone. You dey mad? You dey mad? Why you want to run me? What if me? Me? Oh yeah! Where are the boots?
Wait. Oh, no, Olivia, no. What the fuck, Olivia? Her location is off. Just switch the location off. What the fuck, Princess Olivia? Fuck it. Driver, you need to turn around. Let's go back. Her location is off. What the fuck? Fuck it!
Ataluko. Hey, Abatago. Abata. Tuale. Queen of mechanic. Onye wanyi. The whole Buruburu one. Welcome.
Yeah, Oga.
No be only Oga. If a cuckoo carry person car, drive go your village. Drive go na village meeting. Cruise finish before you come back.
What did they walk you? You know how they talk this nonsense.
Where? Abatago.
Give me the car keys.
No
Give
vex.
me the car keys.
Sir, no vex, sorry.
I don't want you want to talk.
I jam rock for road.
Make that rock jam you again. I don't get anything to tell you. Kosi.
You don't get anything to tell her. You see, where that idiot? I told him. I said you don't go talk anything. You don't think give a punishment. You don't think tell her to go back house. But if not for me, talk go full ground. If not for me like this, when I go just put that guy or Parliament. I mean, in again. You know the guy.
You're mad. Now you go house. Thunder go fire you. Go get time for this nonsense.
Yeah, I know your mate too. I senior you for this one. I go mend you.
Go mend you.
I go mend you at the time.
Mend me now. What's him?
Yeah.
Try him.
You want not me?
Mend me now.
You want not me?
Say you want mend me.
I go wound you.
Try him.
Come on.
Okay. Come on for this place.
Okay. Now me do this thing. Michael, you go get about this girl, uncle. Don't worry. At the time you don't come out. If I get you tired, uncle, don't worry. You go see him.
Kosi, Sachuku. One you but she not dey see your face. She dey come. Kosi, Sachuku no send you at all. One you but she not dey see your face. She dey come. Do you know jams? They respect her. One you but she not dey see your face. She dey come. Beautiful Kosi, Sachi. Jamu not the get a matter. Kosi, your marriage, rubbish things in all your face. She know her right. She gets power like man. No go fit intimidate her. No matter who you be.
Oh no, man. There go. Kado. Hi. I'm fine. No?
How is work?
You don't see us now. We dey manage and small. Yeah? Baby.
Okay.
You are looking beautiful.
Like this?
Hey, Maka.
Like this?
Yes, now.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Hey.
Thank you so much. I brought your lunch. Your favorite. Beans and plantain. Yes.
You made this thing.
Yes. I told you.
Hi. My love. You don't want it?
Yes.
You
like it?
Yes.
You like it?
Let
me feed you.
Feed me. Come and see, they are feeding me. They are looking at me. Come on, this boy. You should give me.
It's not connecting. What is this, Princess Olivia? Where are you? What is happening?
Obim, the truth is, they can't find me here. No one knows I'm here with you.
See here, it's not that I don't want to marry you, but I don't want us to get married like this.
Obim, you and I know that my family won't accept us. Can't you see? Please come. Okay, let me ask you. Do you want me to get married to someone I don't want in my life? Is that what you want for me?
No. Cannot stand that one, no.
Then stop worrying yourself about this topic. With time, my father will adjust. I know him too well. My sister is the only problem I have. She doesn't want my father to see reason with me. Obim, is it a crime to be in love with a mechanic? Obim, you are responsible. You are hardworking. You are focused. You are even a graduate. Let's not spoil this beautiful moment we are having. Please, let me handle my family issues, please.
You think you can handle them?
Yes, I can. I'll be the one to decide who I want in my life. And it's you I want. It's you I want to spend the rest of my life with, please. Odogun. Obim.
The one camada I like.
Obim. It's you I want. My watermelon.
What are you doing here? You are not supposed to be here. Your sister is on her way here. We have an appointment. You need to go.
My sister has left the palace.
Yes, to this place, of course.
I don't think so.
What do you mean? What is this?
Figure it out yourself.
Wait. Wait, Kamsi. Princess!
Oga, no vex for me na beg. No vex, I dey sorry. I'm sorry. Oya, use this one step down your anger. Oga, no vex. Okay, Oga, make I help you wash am. No stress yourself, I dey for you. I beg.
You not go punish am again? You guys send this their house, abi? You not send her home. Okay.
Ofa, I go wound you. You dey find my trouble, then they follow you talk. Oh. Behave yourself.
Onyenwanyi, Queen of Mechanic, the only woman where they fear for the whole of this mechanic village. I beg, I no follow you talk. But you come, I no follow you. Dey your lane. Dey your lane. Where at it go? Dey your lane.
Oga, I beg no vex for me. Make I tell you wetin happen. Now some bad boys attack me for road. I for don't come since. Now God even save me sef. Eh? Don't be smart, you know. Oga, I beg now. I dey sorry. Eh? My oga wear soft like bread. My aje butter, oga. My oga wear no dey like wahala. Oga, na your brand. We are take am now. Drink am. Na your brand be this. I beg no vex.
Carry am go put for my car.
Hey.
But no try this again.
I no go try am again. This country can never repeat itself. Oga, thank you. Hey! Oga, thank you, Oga. Oga, she dey like this, eh? You no go kpai. Instead of you to die, make Ofo die.
I talk am. You see, ba? Now only women now go kill us for this family. In fact, you don't kill you already. I'm gonna not smile. You not smile. You don't bring brand for you.
I'm going to follow the talk. And I go wound you.
I go wound you.
Go to some.
Hold am. You hold your dog. Go.
Okay, I go wound them.
Hold am.
I not be your mate.
Yeah.
They find my trouble. Oh.
Hey God. See, I swear to God, I didn't say I don't chop. I didn't say I get strength with this girl. If I beat him, I stretch and then they go use stretch and come out for this place. You don't hear me, ba? You know, say if I verse, I go won't put you are there here. I don't tell you, don't worry. I'm about your mother. I will call your mother because of this girl. Abi, it's a bad draw.
Kosi Sachuku. Wani Bolabo, she know they see your face. She dey come back. Kosi Sachuku no send you.
Up till this very moment, what is happening, Your Highness? This is tradition. Our prince right here needs a wife.
You see, our daughter completely cut off from the royal house. She only dropped a note that she's fine and that we should not look for her. We are worried. The Igwe and the entire kingdom is worried. But then the sister is doing a great work trying to know her whereabouts. Please.
I see. This is absolutely bad for me. The woman I want to marry. Anyway, the princess cannot do this to me. Princess Olivia cannot do this to me. It's not acceptable. She cannot just walk out of the royal home and start playing a game of hide and seek with me. It's not acceptable. I can't even get her on the phone anymore.
Calm down, please. Please, calm down. Calm down, please, Ikemefuna. We beg you. Huh? Our Igwe, in fact, the entire royal house is doing something about the matter. What we ask from you, give us some time, please. Huh? We will look for the princess and we will make sure that we bring her back to the palace. We will do that.
My second daughter, Princess Kamsi, is searching for her everywhere. And I'm sure she will find her. We only need a little patience. Patience, my prince.
This is completely out of hand, and I will not take it.
Just take it easy, my friend.
I'm out of
Please. Huh?
We want to give you some more time.
Thank you.
Have you seen it? Have you seen what you've caused? Prince Ikemefuna now want to pull my name out of his father's company. All because of your stupid daughter. Do you know what I'm going to lose? Do you know it? You have spoiled that girl. You have destroyed her.
Why are you blaming me? Am I Olivia? Was I the one that asked her to run away from the palace? Or didn't you see the letter she dropped? Did you not read it? Please do not drag me.
All I know is that I must not have my name written in the mud. Do you hear me?
Father.
Mother, what's going on?
Shut up. You dare not ask me that rubbish question. Nonsense.
Father, what's the problem?
Prince Ikemefuna want to pull my name out of his father's hair. All because of that your ugly elder sister. A girl that has always wanted to make my BP rise abysmally.
Father, is that why you're angry?
I should be happy. No, answer me. I should be happy.
Father, it's okay. Don't worry, he will not, okay? I'll talk to him.
You will?
Yes, I will. Relax, okay?
It's okay. It's all right. Thank you, my daughter.
It's okay. I'll be inside.
I even wish I should have chosen you.
It's okay, Daddy. I'll see you inside.
Oh no! Do you know that you are destroying this kingdom? How? Okay. Why do you refuse to correct Prince Ikenna?
I must say that I don't understand what you are talking about, wise one.
You mean you don't understand what I'm saying?
Of course I don't.
Okay, because Prince Ikenna bought a car for you and give you 5 plots of land. That's why you decided to cover all the evil and atrocities he's been doing in this community.
Wise one, it's like you're jealous of the fact that the prince bought me a car and gave me plots of land. I can see you're really jealous of that.
You mean I'm jealous about the car and the land? Why would you say so? Unohu, have you forgotten that our late king died and leave Prince Ikenna to your care?
I'm very much aware of that, and I've been doing my work.
Okay. Now, you turn your eyes against and all the atrocities that he be doing in this community. Sleeping with men, doing every nonsense in this community, and you don't want to say anything about it.
Wise one, Prince Ikem is a grown-up man.
Have you forgotten that Prince Ikenna is under your care?
I have told you, wise one, that I, the Onowu, have been doing my best to put him right, on the track. Your best is not enough.
For nothing. Oh, that's you. Oga?
You're welcome.
Oga, listen. And listen real good. One of your boys used bad engine oil on my car. And I even asked him if that's original. And he said yes. And now my car is not. Meaning it's not a good engine oil. You and everyone in this shop will pay dearly for that.
Madam, you need to...
I said shut up! I'm not done talking, you nitwit.
I understand how you feel.
Didn't you hear me say that I am not done talking? Shut up!
What is up just now? But I don't understand. You tear my Oga slap on my front, you don't fear, you dey mad. You dey whine, you dey waiting. You dey mad. You dey mad. You dey mad. You dey mad. Stop. You dey mad! You dey mad! You slapped me! You don't fear! You slapped me! You slapped my Oga! You slapped me! You slapped me! You're not surprised! You slapped me! Wait! What's the wait! Madam, no! No! Woman, bust your head! Oga, leave me!
You don't do!
Oga, leave me!
Stop!
You dey mad! You dey mad!
What's it?
Just put me there! Go punish you!
Hey! Go see Sochuku! Eh? Must you always fight? Where this person there? Alpha! Umaba! Come here! Come! Alpha, come here! I don't come. Come! Who went and used fake oil in that woman's car? Which woman? The woman just left her down. Baba! Who used that? Come here.
Make I explain now. Make I explain. That woman, where I go buy oil, the time you said the thing not be original. I thought I said there's different. This one na China, this one na Nigerian man. You don't agree? She said somebody recommend oil, you give him. Eh? Now you just face me. Go tell me something. I go buy that one where the person recommend. Now they go use for her car. Eh? Now we go put them. You idiot! You know that, yeah? I could forget this boy.
Chama, no be like this woman come here. Say Moku give am oil for her engine. I will tell him say e kuburu. We buy her baga. But now say Moku photo like we give am the man the one where she say person tell her she need. We give am that one. She baff with her problem come here. No be our fault, okay?
Make I ask you too. Now the woman be mechanic. Abuna ona be mechanic.
Na best way to command am, okay?
If I give you hot slap, would that be you supposed to tell the woman the only way she go use?
I go tell her, you know the year what they talk. You go carry slap, give me.
And you, Kosi, must you always fight? Must you always fight?
Oga, so as I beat that girl, you know, like I should go tear you slap for my friend. I no agree now. You be my Oga. Office not supposed to knock you for where I dare. I no agree. Oh.
Yes, I like her. But at least you go wait. Now me be your Oga. You go always make her address issue before you go they put your mouth. Eh? Why not they always want put problem for my head every time? Why can't people be this one?
That woman just
Okay, shut up! Shut up! Before I put you up, now okay me oh.
You don't come to
now okay me oh. Now okay me for this shop oh.
I should go slap my Oga. He dey mad. Oga of oil.
Next time, if customer come here and tell us say we'll give him original, we'll give him. That woman come here and don't say we'll give him. The other person tell him. I ain't any about here bagana.
I go kill you. You don't. If you see this slap where you slap me, you don't commit abomination. I swear. I will call your mama. Come on, Nagi. I will call your
Kosi, Sachuku. She not dey see your face, she dey come back. Kosi, Sachuku, don't send me a she not dey see your face, she dey come back. Do you know jams? They respect them. She not dey see your face.
Shouldn't have threatened my old man like that. Do you want him to die?
Well, I need to get married to your sister. And she's nowhere to be found.
Perhaps she left because she doesn't love you.
No. I think differently.
What do you think?
I don't know. I'm not sure, but I definitely think differently. I mean, check me out. I'm a prince, an heir to the throne of my fathers. I'm rich, and I'm sure I'm handsome enough. What else is she looking for?
Have you ever slept with my sister?
Come on, princess. How could you say that? Anyways, she said no. And I understand her perfectly. Because we are supposed to meet at the night of our wedding.
My prince. My princess. Lunch is served.
Oh, okay. Thank you. You may go.
Okay. I don't wish to have lunch with you.
Why is that? Are you angry?
No, I'm fine. I just don't want it.
Then we are having lunch together.
My prince, no, I'm leaving.
I insist, princess. To the diner. Move.
Angela, oda bori buruku timba itasha. Sego shekori ope. Don't come here again. Eh? You must tell me that man where you go visit. Now you be the third wife out of my wife, but now you they give me a deck pass. Eh? If like say you don't know wetin they call me. You don't they start to the waka kurukere waka. You know me too well, oh. I know the joke. Oh. Eh? You know me too well. In fact, start coming here right now. Yes, start coming right now. Come.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
Are you new around here?
No, I'm not. I actually came to see a friend.
A friend?
Yes.
Who could that friend be? Tell
My
me.
friend is Jide.
Ah, Jide? Yes. Omo Yibo. That boy I had, he got about 3 girls pregnant last month.
What?
Is the same person you are coming to see.
Jide.
My dear. Don't worry. Yeah, whoa. Don't worry. Don't worry. So, what do you care for? Should I take you to my shop or should we hang around here? Which of them do you want? What do you want?
I'm fine here.
So you are fine here.
Yes.
I know you are beautiful. Angela. I said don't come again. Stay where you are. Stay where you are. Don't come again. Bye bye. Lori buruku. Bye temide. So, what is that? You are not looking bad. Don't worry. Let us go. You are not looking bad.
I need you to go to the house.
Oh God, beg now.
Go to the house. You're giving me trouble too much. I don't like this thing you are doing.
Beg, it no go happen again.
It will still happen again. It will still happen again. I know you. Go home. Go home. Go home. I don't want you here today. Police, I don't want you to come. That one carry police to come here. This police. That one where she be carry police to come here.
Officers, that is the bastard.
Shall you see what you've caused? You've seen what you've caused.
Young lady, you are under arrest and you have to follow us now.
Why? Which kind of injustice be this? This girl come here, tear my oga slap. Now tear and slap back. She not report herself to you. And then they go anywhere or you didn't whine.
Officers, please don't mind her. Biko, let's settle this amicably.
You slapped me on my own right. Today you will see yourself in jail.
You slapped me on my right. You get right. Now left you get. Who dash you right? Nonsense.
So you took law into your hands. Is that not? Now you have to follow us down to station.
Wait. Instead of me to come out for here, blood go flow. You then why? Blood go surplus.
Cozy!
Dead body go surplus.
I say you have to move us.
Officer, arrest her now.
Biko, let's settle this.
Okay.
I say move.
Hey,
move.
Cozy,
where are you going to?
my oga. Ha! I no go back to that workshop again. If I go from here, they go house. I dey tell you. Hey.
This one you're here, what happened?
Like Elebe.
Police.
They pursue me, not be small. Now I can't perch for you.
What of my... They arrest Obina.
No, nothing happened to Obina. No. Everywhere don't bust. Don't go anywhere.
Is my Obina safe?
No go anywhere. Everywhere they hot.
My house.
So they go.
What's that?
Baby.
Hmm?
You come and call me. Where are you going to?
There is no time now, I know. But there is no time. Just calm down. Logo gale. Ṣé kò wá tán báyìí? Ọmọ lọ.
No. My prince, the chief priest cannot tell me whom to lay with and whom not to. That is not acceptable.
My problem with him is that he talks too much. He talks more than a man should.
Yes! My prince, don't mind him. Don't mind him at all. Very soon, you will be the king of this great kingdom. And you will chase him out from that palace. In fact, you chase him out from there. What a nonsense. Old man.
Oh no.
My prince.
Take this message to him. If he ever utter any sort of nonsense again, as a matter of fact, no, from now onwards, he is banned from coming into this palace. I don't want to see him anywhere close to my palace again.
I will, my prince.
In fact, my prince, who is he, Onyekobu? Who is he to talk to my prince in such a manner? Onyekobu?
That useless man talks too much. Talks a lot. And he forgets that he is an old man, even closer to his grave.
Anyway, no. Take my message to him. He needs to know.
Sure I will.
What did you go chop? Make I go buy am for you. Okay.
Kosi, come. Sit down. Kosi.
Sir?
Wetin I do you? Kosi, why you like trouble? Why you derive joy in fighting all the time?
Wait, Oga.
Kosi.
Sir?
That woman wey carry police come here. That police where you go attack. What if he carry that gun, light you for leg? Wetin you go talk? Gini guy cannot call by now. Kosi. Who even ask you to even come police station? Now who tell you, may carry this your two legs, come that police station? You even get the mind, come police station. Come they fight for inside police station. Where is it done? You want keep us in police station?
Oga, I swear to God, if they say I know say you go date this ungrateful, I for not go that police station. But no one, no wahala.
Kosi, you call me ungrateful person. Me, Oga Mike, I am now ungrateful. Kosi, you come for inside station, they fight. I dey hold you. I dey shout, they tell you to make you stop. For inside station, you no agree. I hold you for body, you push me come out. For inside station, you go dey fight. Now you say I be ungrateful person. For trying to stop you. Chai! Kosi, pity yourself. Pity yourself now. How you want to become madam?
Oga, no vex for me. I get anger issues against bad people. But you see as you there, you really no dey grateful. And I blame myself. If to say I know, for not go that police station, I for leave you for there, you for rotty for there. They for show you shege, add banza on top. You for see we. They for not release you free of charge. You for stay for there.
Okay. I know say you try. I know. But Kosi, I dey beg you. Stop to the fight. Let dey fight people where they come this our shop. E no good now. E no good. Every time you go, they fight our customers.
But Oga, we are fighting for justice. No forget.
No. Let them fight for justice. Make justice fight for himself. Justice they complain. If they say they complain, no fight for him. Leave and make him fight for himself. Kosi, now woman you be. They always carry this in for mind. Now woman where you be. If they behave like this, how you want to become madam of your own? I beg now. Make no need to do this into me now. Now you stress me too much.
I don't hear you. I no go fight again. No vex, sir.
You no go fight again? Cause you no go fight again.
I fit go buy the food, make you chop now.
Mother, how are you? Come see, where have you been all day?
Oh, I went to see Prince. He came here for now. Father said he called for board meeting and he wants to get us off his company. So I went to talk to him.
You went to his kingdom to talk to him?
Mm-hmm.
Why? To beg him or what?
Come see, are you now the company manager or your father that needed to sort things out with him? Mother, this is a family business. Okay, so all hands should be on desk. You of all people should know that. Come see, Rochukwu. What kind of a child are you? Oh God. You are not even concerned about your elder sister's disappearance. Your father asked you to track her and know her whereabouts. Since then, you have never come up with any useful information. Mother, Olivia left us a note clearly stating that we shouldn't look for her, that she is fine. That she is fine, Mother. I have tried and I am still trying. What else do you want? Do you want my blood? Since you returned from US, I've been watching you. Kamsi, do not be stupid, because I, your mother, is not a fool. I will never have a child that will go out there and rub the name of the family in the mud. Be careful. Mother, you should be happy. You should be thanking me. You should be grateful that I went to talk to Prince Ikem on our behalf. Do you want him to take us away from his father's amazing company? Do you want that? Kamsi, Rochukwu. Be careful. What can I ever do to make you happy? What is that thing that I would do to make my mother happy? Gosh! Kamsi, there's nothing I would just do that will make this woman happy.
I believe you know. She keeps turning her location on and off. And I'm tired of that nonsense.
You see, that's because she knows you will be tracking her. Yes.
Oh, no.
My prince.
You are not far from the truth. You are not far from the truth, no. But what can we do about it?
My prince, we are going to give the family an ultimatum so that they will know that we are very serious here. Yes.
How haven't I thought of that, oh no?
You know I'm your right-hand man. That's why.
That's actually what we should do. We shall send her father a strong message. Yes, we shall, so that he can sit up. Oh no!
My prince.
That's why I always believe in your wise advice, oh no.
My prince, you're making my hair to be big now.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, my prince.
That is what you shall do.
I have to be on my way now.
All right, Ono. You run along.
Thank you, my prince.
I will send for you when the time is done.
All right.
Thank you.
Anywhere you are, tread with caution. If I anywhere you are, tread with caution.
I don't know whether.
So since we are saying to lose this thing, you don't know. If you complain this one, calculate to get Jack, you get this one. Wait, which one? How many years you don't dey here? Where you know that?
Now the valve from the doctor.
How are you, fine girl?
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, how are you?
I'm fine. I beg my oga send me message.
Wait first. Who be your oga for this place wey no know me? I am Chief Otumba.
Na oga Michael Uchena.
Ọmọ Yibo, ọmọ tí ò ní dá fún yẹn. Well, that is by the way. I want you to come and see me in my office. I mean my shop.
You want me to come and see you? Why? Any better for me?
I've just told you to come and see me. You're asking me any better for you? Listen to me. If you must know, I am Chief Otumba, one of Ijebu-Ode. By God's grace, I am the caretaker of this place. So anybody I call must come. So be humble. Follow the winning train.
Okay, I feel go now.
I'll be waiting for you. You get the thing right.
I don't discover the problem.
Wait till you discover. You don't drop the carburetor.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, come now, so that.
Okay. Right. Where the 40 now?
Okay, you know, say, couldn't like say they carried away that time. I say, make I come call you.
Say, go check body good to fair pie one more day. How many years you don't dey here where you know sabi work? Make you lose something for how many hours you have been here? Wa kusa ori lẹ́rìn no. Ori lẹ́rìn ló máa kú sí báyìí. Mo ti rí lára ẹ. Olórí burúkú. Má pè mí mọ́ o. Hello, manager. Manager. You see that room? That room now. Curiosis. I like that room very well. Yes, I love the room. Just tell the cleaner. Make them clean the room very well. But you get one sound where they hear under the bed. Where I know here where I don't know where from they come. That kind of side na silent night, holy night. I am not holy. You know what thing I can't do now? I supposed to they hear the screaming and mourning of the girl. But now na silent night, holy night at the hear under the bed. I beg, make them repair the bed leg. Make person no go fall one day. You know as I be now. Thank you very much. Tunde.
Okay. Welcome, Baba.
Well done. Anybody ask of me?
No, nobody. Only these people who did this shop for the other side. Where we are then always they do. But agree. Always.
I hope they don't come here.
Let me say they come here. But they go there, they go do cho. Even if all these people they walk past.
No worry, they there. One day I go turn one of them to tortoise. Don't worry. Tunde, where you? Oh yeah. Don't go buy me. Oh yeah. Take this money. Say what you feel 10 years no experience. You know. Laura, go and buy me beer. Make you go with your shop. Tell her to see me to the tenant when she comes in. Only. Pass you.
And yes, they say.
Go where I send you. Olórí burúkú. Oh, Lord, yeah. Follow am go where? Wait till they lose and tight, you don't finish.
Go buy beer like that.
Remove the cover, bring the bottle come. Oponu akindani. Ọ̀rẹ́ nu ẹ. Eti e bi ko le.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
10 years no experience. Shut up your mouth now. Uche don't get shocked so. You since when they take you borrow money for years. The money they never pay finish. Work you never let finish. I don't know what you do for here. You are just wasted effort.
Time when you use the pursue woman, if you use and they teach person work, if you never open your own shop, that person go there your shop 10 years. Which way manage open, you still the pursue your own woman.
Don't worry.
You go teach me work well.
Ọmọ tó lẹ́nu àgbáńrún ni. Akọ̀hún náà. Oníranù. 10 years, they use you borrow money. Money they never finish work, you never let them. Wetin you gain?
After you use phone and watch that thing well.
I wan comot the screw first. Oga Mike, well done o.
Tunde.
Abeg my guy say make I come call her. Say make she follow me come. Nah. Say e dey important.
Make you come with her.
Yes.
Make you follow you come. Who be her?
She na? Abi no be she be Kosi again.
Na me be Kosi, who be Oga?
Show you where ni? Eh? So you don't know who be my Oga for this area?
You dey mad? You dey mad? One man forget this panel for you. You mean you dey consider craze?
Kosi.
Sir? Sorry, sir.
Tunde. No wahala. She don't hear you. Just go back to your shop. She will come later.
See, Oga Mike, I no go live here. Say make I carry and follow body immediately. Say make I no come without her.
Wait, as dead body or firewood? It be like say bomb dey your head. Oh yeah, come on for this place. Come on for the man, no wood. Come on here.
Kosi.
Sir? Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Tunde.
Oga Mike.
I no wan repeat myself again. Go your shop. She will come later, come meet you for here.
Okay.
Oga, no dey go anywhere. Oh. And that man what I tell you about now?
I know the man. Na Baba Otumba. Yes. The man wey collect my girlfriend for me last year.
Eh?
Yes.
He pack your girlfriend?
He quench my girl.
Oh, Petweke.
I dey tell you. So, the little advice I will give you. If you go that man shop, give am distance. He get juju o.
Oga, no dey go anywhere. Now here I punk me put. Now here I pin put. No leave, no transfer. I no dey comot from this place.
Cause you go go.
No, I no go.
You go go.
I no go.
Na my caretaker, you go. Before they will pursue me from this place. But just dey careful. Na juju wey go use o.
Kí ló dé? Ẹ gbà mí o. Kí ló dé? Baba.
What's this? Kí ló dé?
Ọ̀gá. Ṣé kò sí?
Ṣé kò sí bí ti báwo ni?
Kí ló dé? Ọ̀gá yọ ṣòkòtò ìdè remove am ni.
Remove kẹ̀bí ti báwo ni?
Ọ̀gá, see your belt na, see your zip, you don come down na.
Go back to your duty post.
Ọ̀gá, you dey sleep, dey remove ṣòkòtò.
Padà sẹ́nu iṣẹ́.
Ẹ gbà mí, kí ló dé?
Padà sẹ́nu iṣẹ́. That is why you don't know 13 flat plus minus 15 flat.
Oga, but you dey remove your ṣòkòtò just
now. Yes, you have been here now. Nothing you wey sabi. Ní rádaràda. Ó máa kó mi tàbí ọmọ ọjọ́ mẹ́jọ.
Ibe, I'm with you. The chief priest told me that the gods are not happy with Prince Ikemefuna.
But why?
He said because he has been forcing the maidens to abort his babies. Whereas he could have just gone ahead to marry one of them. Remember, those babies are royal blood.
Yes.
The prince himself confirmed to me that he is not sleeping with the maidens.
But calm down. I think we have to advise him because, he listened to us. That's what I am suggesting. So, no need of all this panicking and all that.
The thing is, I'm beginning to dislike this chief priest. Yes, because I don't understand him anymore.
Anyway, let's just advise him, that's all. Everything will be fine. I think so.
No problem.
Yadiba, Yadiba, Yadiba.
Igwe, I don't like the way you're worshipping that boy.
I am not worshipping any boy, woman. Watch your tongue.
That prince of a boy is disrespecting you. He walks out on you. He talks to you without watching his tongue. Each time I watch him talk to you anyhow, it hurts me.
Wait. Is that the reason you asked your daughter to run away from the palace?
What? I did not ask my daughter to run away from the palace. And I can never do a thing like that.
Now listen. Whatever you think or configure in your head is none of my business. Until I find Olivia and she tells me who advised her to go against my decision. Pray she doesn't mention your name.
Desmond, what are you saying? That I advised my own daughter to run away from the palace? That is not possible. Oh, you want to turn everything against me? Is that what you're trying to do? You want to put everything on me now?
She is 4 weeks pregnant. I need you to terminate.
No, my prince, please, I beg you. Please, I beg you.
Take her. Make sure she doesn't escape.
I promise to leave this kingdom with the pregnancy, please. Let me know. My prince, please.
Take her out of here before I give her more for myself.
My prince, no.
Say make me and you go hotel, Abi?
Yes, girl. You know as the matter be now. I just want me to relax in a cool atmosphere. Make we just get ourselves in order. You understand now? But me, I know they want short time. Now today break you.
No wahala. So it's a bit muke, it's a bit knack.
My name na Makanaki yo. Ma fi mi sere o. Man na wo ede. O foju di mi o. It be like say they look overlook my size yo. No look my size yo. I be machine. Engine in not body. I dey very strong. By the time I taste you, you taste me. In fact, if you taste me, you go run mad. Na me tell you, na me Otumba.
Otumba, hope say no be mouth you dey make. No be say when we start now you go wan run because I no go send your age. I dey wound person, I go damage your waist o. As I be muke o. You sure say you go fit stand me?
I go stand you. No fear my age. I dey strong. I don't tell you. Me, as I dey so. Forget the body. The engine, e dey very strong. I go knock you. Now you go tell me say, I beg you, don't kill me. Otumba, take am easy.
No wahala now. You give me the address. I want to go do something for my account. When I finish, I go come.
Make I quickly take your number. But make you no let that your Oga Mike make you know about this matter.
No, you no go know. I go lie for you. I go just sneak. Come knock you.
I like your vibes. So.
Open my legs, spread out like this. Give back to me.
Easy. Make I not come now. Easy. Make I not come now. Oya, give me the number.
070 222 111. It go be now.
00 is a number.
ọmọdé ó ní nǹkan tí mò ń jẹ o. Ìyá Bílíkì, ṣé ẹ ní manpower? Agbójẹ̀dí tó dáa, ó ń ṣe gidi gan ni o. Strong one ni o. Agbójẹ̀dí tó dáa, waist pain ní gbogbo ẹ̀. I need it. Just keep it for me. I am coming to collect. In fact, as I am coming now, I am branching over. Go. Ó gbádùn mi, èmi màkàmákì, ó nà kí ẹ.
I am done looking for your daughter. I see this as a conspiracy.
Why did you say conspiracy? Do you think I am happy my daughter left my palace?
Igwe, you should be more sad that your company is about to be pulled out of my father's company.
I beg your pardon, Prince Ikemefuna. How dare you? I am worried also. We are all pained. We have been searching for my daughter. She's nowhere to be found. Her location is totally switched off. You want to cry more than the bereaved?
When Ugonna,
Your Majesty.
go back to your chambers.
Your
now.
Highness. Can you imagine how this boy spoke to you? Because of his father's company. You are rude. You lack respect. And I am certain my daughter left this kingdom because of your ill manner. Igwe, I am sure you would have compelled her into marrying this ill-mannered human being that lack respect. Look at your favorite prince. I am so disappointed.
Prince Ikenna, your father was my best friend. We promised each other that his son and my daughter will get married to continue our friendship. Extension of trust and commitment. I can't see the reason you should be threatening me with pulling out my brand from the business that I built together with your father. My friend, the king, the late king. Why?
Igwe, I give you a few more weeks. Few more weeks to find your daughter. Or else I will do what is in my mind. Yes, just take a look. Take a look at the way Lolo is talking to me, yelling at me. Prince Ikemefuna, the king in waiting.
Prince Ikemefuna, I am a king. You should know. What I will not comprehend is arrogance and the flagrant display of disrespect to me. Don't press the button.
Igwe, my word is my bond. Find your daughter. Few more weeks.
Anywhere you are, tread with caution. If I
am talking to you. You dare walk out on me? Have you lost it?
Who are you? No, answer me. Who the heck are you? You ugly little... Oh.
How dare you? Have you lost it? You came into my father's palace, insulted my mother, and you think you can insult me too? Have you gone bonkers?
You just slapped me!
And I'll slap you again and again if you're not careful.
Nonsense! Who are you?
Prince Ikem, you dare not lay your hand on a woman.
My prince, I think it's time for you to end things with her. End it!
No, not yet. Not until her sister, Princess Olivia, is found. Yes, the one my heart yearns for. The one I want to marry. No, not yet.
But she's mad. Yes, that girl is really mad. How can she lay her hand on my prince? The crown prince. You should have killed her. Kill her. Let's bury her in a shallow grave.
Oh no, Wu. You denied me that chance. You denied me that chance. But not to worry. I know that stupid girl will come back to this palace. I know it. And I'll deal with her. I know very well how to.
Anywhere you are, tread with caution. If I
Obinna, what is this?
Wait, okay, what happened? Now mad dog bites him.
Hey.
Obinna.
Otumba! Hi! Otumba, it will never be well with you. It will never be well with you. Otumba! I am coming.
Mike! Go to do something now. I don't know what
you want, but I don't get
I'm so pleased.
Go bring Chen, come. Why you don't go outside?
Who do you want to put in this?